kind of came on the scene. And then last year, not this past year, but the year before, she played in Ottawa at the Canada Day celebrations. And she played this song, and it kind of, all these flashbacks came back. So it's in the theme of Canadian artists, Canadian songs. Okay. Well, this probably won't be unreal, but we'll see how it goes.
Something I can't explain. It's not a cross, it is a choice. I cannot help but hear his voice. Only wish that I could listen without shame. Let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain, oh let it rain, let it rain on me. I have been a witness to the perfect bride. Wipe the grin off my face to hide the blame. Is it worth the tears you cry? Have a perfect alibi. Now I'm eating at the hands of my own game. Let it rain. Let it rain on me. Let it rain. Oh, let it rain on me. It isn't easy to be kind with all these demons in my mind. I only hope one day I'll be I do my best not to complain. I think